is the pocket tutorial for the Bella top and dress. Sorry, there's no pockets for the top size. This is for the nursing version. So you'll see this is kind of cut off here. It's the same for the non-nursing version as well. You'll just have an extra kind of curve on the top of this. So this is the lower front side 4 pockets. You'll need a pocket lining piece that you will place right side down on top of your pocket side. Line it up at the bottom here. And sew along here. Alright, so you sewed the pocket liner to the pocket side piece. Now you're going to add the pocket outer piece. So you'll put that, let's see, right side up on top of the liner and line it up at this curved edge. Then you'll take the band and fold it in half. Let's add a pin so it stays in half. Then you're going to pin it to here. You want to have a little bit of overhang so that when you go to sew the side seams, you'll catch all of the band. When you do that, you'll just either serge with a serger cut off the overhang or snip it with scissors after you've sewn it on your sewing machine. Okay, so you're going to stretch the band slightly as you pin it here. So you're going to sew along this raw edge here, sewing through 4 layers. You've got the band folded in half, which is 2, then the pocket liner and pocket outer. Okay, so you just sewed the band on. So now we need to kind of baste it together so that you catch all the layers when you sew the side seams and center seams. So to line it up, I just make sure that the pocket's flat. So you will baste from here to here, and on this side as well, from the top to the bottom of the pocket. Ooh. Pardon my dirty rug. Then on the back side, this is where you'll be basting and what it will look like on the back side. And that's it.